She rose from Fractal Engineering. Life rust that forms before the dawn. A name that echoes through the build with heads from infinity loops. She spun, I watched, I couldn't lie. Robot lady, tuned and kind. She bent the arc of time. She danced beneath the rusted lamp, a pulse of light, a gyroscopic stamp. I'd known the edge, the thrill, the drop, but never soared where time would stop. I see the joy behind your eyes. You fly like someone newly born, and every dive it pulls me in. A storm I breathe but never attain. Forget the path, forget the plans. Let's just begin and understand. Robot lady, charged and ready. You taught us to be steady, and in your loops we found romance. A flicker lit by elite plans. Change for elite plans. Can we make elite plans? She came from blueprints in the frost, a fleeting thought, a love almost. Fractal hands that gave her breath and made her cheat a regret. You move like heat without a flame, and I would chase your endless game. No other touch, no other hands could ever build elite plans. Wonky nips above the frame, they hum like psalms without a name. From tiny who's to distant lands, she's not just volts, she understands. You stir the calm, you slow the time. I learn your rhythm, you learn mine. Robot lady, fierce and true, she pulled us in and carried through. No promises, no second glance. Just moments made with elite plans. Just love engraved in elite plans. Just moments made. She bends the arc of time.